In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive QuickBooks data. Archiving in QuickBooks Online usually means creating a clean snapshot you can keep outside the system, and there are two built-in ways to do that. Exporting your data to Excel, and, if you're on QuickBooks Online Advanced, using the Backup Company feature. Start by opening QuickBooks and signing into the company file you want to archive. Make sure you're using an account with the right permissions so you can access company settings. Once you're in, head to the Settings menu, the gear icon at the top right of your screen. From Settings, choose Export Data. This opens a page where you can fine-tune exactly what you want to preserve. You'll typically see options for reports and lists. Adjust the date range to match the period you're archiving, and review any filters or accounting method options you see so the export reflects your books accurately. Then select the reports or lists you want included. Many teams capture their balance sheet, profit and loss, general ledger, and key lists like customers, vendors, and chart of accounts, but choose only what you need for your records. When everything looks correct, click Export to Excel. QuickBooks will compile the files and download them to your computer as .xlsx documents. And if there are multiple items, you may get a single zip file that contains several spreadsheets. Open a few of them to confirm the data looks complete and consistent with what you see in QuickBooks. This export is a static snapshot, perfect for audits, year-end records, or preserving a state of your data before you clean up or make big changes. There's also another option if your subscription is QuickBooks Online Advanced. In that version, the Settings menu includes Backup Company. This feature is built to capture full copies of your company data at a point in time, giving you a more traditional archive with restore points. Head to the Settings menu and you should see Backup Company listed among the company tools. It's designed to help you maintain ongoing backups without manually exporting spreadsheets, and it complements the export approach by preserving broader system data. A few practical tips as you wrap up. Keep archived files in a secure, access-controlled location and use clear naming that includes the company and date so they're easy to find later. Follow your organization's record retention policy, especially for financial periods that are closed. And whenever possible, schedule regular archives at key milestones like month-end or year-end, so you always have a reliable history of your books.